The global luxury market is thriving, expected to reach an impressive $430 billion by 2025. This exciting growth reflects a positive shift in consumer behavior. Aspiring entrepreneurs have a golden opportunity. By understanding the target audience and delivering exceptional quality, success. One common misconception is that luxury is solely about exorbitant pricing. While price is a factor, true luxury extends far beyond a hefty price tag. It's about crafting a brand experience that resonates with the desires and aspirations of a discerning clientele. Another challenge lies in establishing brand credibility in a saturated market. Consumers are bombarded with choices, making it crucial for new luxury brands to differentiate themselves and communicate their unique value proposition effectively. Building a loyal customer base is paramount in the luxury sector. Luxury consumers value personalized experiences and exceptional customer service. Cultivating strong relationships with clients is essential for long-term success. Navigating the digital landscape is another hurdle for luxury brands. While maintaining an air of exclusivity is key, digital platforms offer unparalleled opportunities to reach a wider audience and engage with consumers in meaningful ways. At the heart of every successful luxury brand lie three fundamental pillars: unwavering quality, a carefully cultivated aura of exclusivity, and a compelling brand story that resonates with its target audience. Quality is non-negotiable. From the sourcing of raw materials to the meticulous craftsmanship, every aspect of a luxury product or service must exude excellence. Consumers invest in luxury expecting durability, timeless design, and unparalleled performance. Exclusivity is about creating a sense of rarity and desirability. This can be achieved through limited edition releases, bespoke services, and access to exclusive events and experiences. Storytelling is what breathes life into a luxury brand. It's about communicating the brand's heritage, values, and the craftsmanship behind its creations. A compelling brand story allows consumers to connect with the brand on an emotional level and fosters brand loyalty. The meteoric rise of brand name. Brand name, a luxury product category brand, exemplifies quality, exclusivity, and storytelling. Starting with minimal resources, they focused on traditional techniques and the finest materials. Their commitment to quality attracted a discerning clientele seeking unique, handcrafted pieces. They offered bespoke services, allowing clients to co-create their own product type. The founders' passion for relevant craft and dedication to traditional craftsmanship resonated with consumers. Today, brand name stands as a testament to the power of quality, exclusivity, and storytelling.